We are following breaking news in Independence, where police have shut down Nolan Road between I-70 and 39th Street while the bomb squad investigates. Sarah Hollenbeck is live at the scene now with more. Sarah, what have you learned?
Cynthia, I can tell you right now that this entire area is shut down. Lots of traffic being diverted around this area. You can see about 3 blocks here on Nolan Road is what they have all blocked off. Cars not able to go into this area. And that's because the Super 8 that you see over here right now is blocked off. They believe that there is a suspicious package in that parking lot. Around 6:15 this morning, someone found a box with wires that were sticking out of it in a hotel of the Super 8 motel. They believe that it did not look like something that someone would have left in a parking lot, according to police. So that's when they called in the bomb squad. Well, police have closed by a nearby Quick Trip as well as a bank in about 3 blocks of Nolan Road as a precaution. And right now they're asking any drivers to just avoid this area. We know that they did send in a robot just a few minutes ago to check out that area a little bit closer, see what that box might be. And right now we're waiting to see what the police were able to uncover. Stick with 41 Action News for any updates on this. We are live in Independence. Sarah Hollenbeck, 41 Action News.